Hey guys, it's Rob Wilson here. I'm up to my third week reviewing the Blackberry playbook by Research in Motion. I thought that by this time I probably should include a video with my face in it, of me actually reviewing the playbook through you seeing me with it and controlling it and using it, as opposed to just seeing my fingers poke around on it on the very nice 7-inch screen. So I'll start off by saying I've been asked a question quite a lot by friends and family to whether I actually need a tablet, what uses do I have for it, and whether it's necessary in my day-to-day life. And I've each replied to them with the same answer. I have, over the past 2 years, had a MacBook Pro, or a laptop of some sort, and a Blackberry or smartphone on me at all times, which has very easily helped my social, studies, anything else that in my current life that I've needed to handle. Whereas currently, I believe that the introduction of a tablet to my life has changed everything a little bit. The use of a tablet over the past 3 weeks has definitely increased. From either going, if I have to go to a cafe, or if I have to go and pick up something like a piece of clothing, an item of clothing, or book a restaurant, something throughout the week. If I ever need to, it's just grab the fantastic 7-inch playbook, run out the door with my Blackberry in my pocket and this in my hand, and I have myself sorted for the day. Wherever I need to go, I have internet access because I know it's going to connect to my Blackberry, and that gives me a fantastic 7-inch screen to browse the web, view any websites, any tutorials, anything I need while I'm on the run. And since the Blackberry has such an amazing browser, it really utilizes this portable aspect of having a tablet on you at all times. I've also lent the tablet to a few of my friends who are more Apple, iPad, iPhone based. They've obviously not taken to this quite well. Oh, the iPad is better at this, the iPad's better at that, or Apple have thought about this method of control more than Playbook. And to some aspects that may be true, whether it's through an interface, which I'm yet to discover, or through simple things like what I find to be copy and pasting. I find that to be quite a lot better on the iPad than it is on the Blackberry. Not for reasons of they're very different, it's just more of you can copy and paste from several different points on an iPad, whereas it's harder on the Playbook. The video conferencing feature on the Blackberry Playbook is not too bad, although it does lack the cross-platform video conferencing and webcam facilities that you really like, whereas you can't actually talk from the Playbook to my MacBook, for instance, or from the Playbook to another Blackberry, or from the Playbook to an Apple product, for instance. The video conferencing inbuilt feature in this is a quite strong, quite comfortable environment to work with, quite nice user interface and all that, although it does lack this obvious problem that you can only talk to people with a Playbook. The 3-megapixel camera on the front, the 3-megapixel 1080p high-definition camera on the front, and the 5-megapixel high-definition camera on the back leads to quite nice, or in fact very nice, video conferencing calls using the front camera or the back camera, if you're talking to other Playbooks. If you are in need of using the Playbook to talk to another device, say like a MacBook or an iPhone, you have to install one of the third-party webcam apps like Adobe, run one of them that you can talk to different platforms with. That's quite comfortable. That's a very minimalist, low processor usage, quite easy to use app for the Blackberry Playbook. But if Blackberry ever increased the usage and the platform of the actual inbuilt video conference in it, I'm sure I would use it a lot more, and as so would other Playbook users.